taking off.
You got it.
Not sure what happened.
So since it's beeping, do you think you have a low battery?
Well, it's a full charge.
Okay.
But I think it just sagged low for a second.
Get left, get left. You're in the grass. Nice.
Safe enough.
Good job.
That's cool. Can I pick it up?
Sure, sure.
It's, for its size, it's got some weight to it.
Yeah,
but
it is heavy. There are lighter materials I could have printed it out of, but I don't think they would look as nice. So
yeah.
I sort of built it as a night flyer.
Yeah. Very nice job. It's the first one I've ever seen. Because I thought, I was like, is that foam? Because that look from a distance, it looks like they're, you know, pieces of wood, you know, across there.
Yeah.
Oh, here.
That's okay. It cracks. That's normal.
How much time do you expect to get out of the plane? I mean,
I'm not sure, because I think if I did crash, it would be pretty much a write-off. This stuff is pretty brittle. So I don't know. We'll just have to see. But
what kind of light kits do you have in that? What the things that you're
it's
doing?
a board from wingnuttech.com. It's
okay.
a third-party board for the night radio.
Okay.
So it allows you to plug into the receiver and change your pattern and stuff.
So it's got a module, and then where did you get your lights at? Because those aren't LEDs, those are string lights, right?
Yeah, they're addressable LED lights, or LED strings.
Okay,
from Amazon.
Amazon?
Yeah.
And you got that plugged right into your LiPo, I assume?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. It's
for the balance plug?
It's actually a separate BEC that puts out 5 volts. I didn't want to run everything and the lights off of the same.
And that's what I'm doing in my 4-stars. It just runs right off the balance port.
Yeah.
I didn't really, I mean, a couple of minutes shorter, but, you know, it's not too bad.
Mm.
Yeah, that's neat. I'm getting ideas for my next one, the Telemaster. So, I like what you did there. That's neat.
Thanks.
Did you document it anywhere on the groups or on the internet or anything?
Not really, just my personal page and Flight Test Fans Facebook page. And
okay.
I think there's a group for 3D lab print that I put it on too.
Flight Test Fans on Facebook. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll look it up. And that's your page?
No, it's for Flight Test.
Okay. That's neat.
At that moment,
because I'll forget all this and I'll be like, I talked to a guy about it and he gave me lots of advice, but now I don't remember.
Yeah, well, there are a few places that you can get nice print files from. This is from 3D Lab Print, and others Eclipse.
Well, I wouldn't do anything like this, but
Oh,
the lights
okay.
are neat, and I think it's neat what you guys are doing with the new technology. I mean, there's a few guys out there experimenting with it, and I think it's just cool. You know, it's like, you know, I mean, I'm a balsa builder, but this is neat.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I do foam too. So
If I had the time off and didn't do anything else, it would probably take a couple weeks, just printing files and then assembling to get this.
yeah,
all
because it
together.
looks like, is this all? I mean, like this part here was one piece,
Yeah,
and then this. And,
exactly. And you can see all the wing sections too
Okay.
going
yeah.
out. So they all print up vertically.
Okay. And then how do you? I mean, is there? Is these little stations in the middle that then to support the top and the bottom?
Yeah, all these ribs all throughout
Okay.
supports completely all the way through, and then just CA everything together.
Gotcha. That's a cool plan.
Thanks.
Yeah. Have fun.
Too.